English A1. Asking someone their name and age. Lesson by BabelBoosters YouTube channel.
Hi,
Hi,
my name is Tom.
my name is Anne.
What is your name?
I am Anne.
Nice to meet you, Anne.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay.
What is your name again?
I am Anne.
Sorry, I forgot.
That is okay.
How old are you?
I am 20.
Oh, you're 20.
Yes, I am 20.
I'm 22.
You are older than me.
Yes, a little.
How old are you?
I am 22.
Okay, Tom.
Do you know my name?
Yes, your name is Tom.
Good.
Do you know my age?
Yes, you are 20.
All right.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
I'm a student too.
That is nice.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Oh, nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
England is nice.
Yes, it is.
Can I ask your name?
Yes, I am Tom.
Thank you.
Can I ask your age?
Yes, I am 20.
Thank you.
What is your full name?
Tom Green.
Oh, Tom Green.
Yes,
My full name is Anne Lee.
nice name.
Thank you.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am new here.
Me too.
Really?
Yes, really.
Then we can talk.
Yes, we can.
What is your name?
Tom.
Just Tom?
Yes, just Tom.
Okay, Tom.
And you are Anne?
Yes, I am Anne.
Right.
How old are you, Tom?
I am 22.
You look young.
Thank you.
How old do I look?
Maybe 20.
That is close.
Can I guess your age?
Yes, try.
20.
Yes, good guess.
Wow.
Do you want to know my name?
I know your name.
Good.
Do you want to know my age?
Yes, how old are you?
I am 22.
Okay.
How old is your brother?
He is 18.
And your sister?
She is 15.
That is a big family.
Yes, it is.
What is your name?
Anne.
And what?
Anne Lee.
Nice.
What is your name?
Tom Green.
Good.
How old are you now?
I am 20 now.
Happy birthday.
Not today.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
How old are you in your country?
The same age.
Of course.
Do you say your full name often?
Yes, sometimes.
I say mine too.
It is useful.
Yes, for school.
What is your first name?
Anne.
What is your last name?
Lee.
My first name is Tom.
And your last name?
Brain.
Easy name.
Thank you.
Is your name Tom Smith?
No, it is Tom Green.
Oh, right.
Is your name Anne Brown?
No, it is Anne Lee.
Got it.
People sometimes forget names.
Yes, I do too.
I forget ages also.
Me too.
How old is your mother?
She is 45.
How old is your father?
He is 48.
My mother is 40.
My father is 50.
That is close.
Yes.
What is your name, please?
Tom.
Thank you, Tom.
You are welcome.
How old are you, please?
I am 22.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Are you 18?
No, I'm 22.
Okay, sorry.
That is fine.
Are you 19?
No, older.
20?
Plus.
22?
Yes.
I guessed right.
Yes, you did.
What is your name in English?
My name is Tom.
Good.
And your name in English?
Anne.
Very good.
How do you spell your name?
Tom.
Easy.
How do you spell Anne?
INN.
Nice.
My name is short.
Yes, it is.
Your name is short too.
True.
Are you happy to meet me?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
What is your age?
I am 20.
And your name?
Anne.
Simple and nice.
Thank you.
Do you like your name?
Yes, I do.
I like my name too.
Good.
What is your name again?
Anne Lee.
Thanks.
What is your age again?
22.
Dance.
Do you say your age to new people?
Sometimes, yes.
I do too.
Only when I feel okay.
That makes sense.
Yes, names are easy.
Ages are a little personal,
True.
but not here.
No, not here.
What is your name?
Anne.
What is your age?
20.
Okay.
What is your name?
Tom.
What is your age?
22.
Nice.
Are you from here?
No, I am not.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
I like Canada.
Thank you.
How old are you in Canada?
I am still 20.
Funny answer.
It is true.
Can I call you Anne?
Yes, you can.
Can you call me Tom?
Yes, Tom.
Right.
Do you want my full name?
Yes, please.
Anne Lee.
Thank you.
Do you want my age too?
Yes, please.
I am 20.
Thank you.
You ask good questions.
Simple questions.
Simple but important.
Yes.
What is your name?
Tom Green.
How old are you?
I am 22.
Where are you from?
England.
Nice.
What about you?
Canada.
Right.
It is easy to talk now.
Yes, very easy.
Your name is Tom Green.
Yes.
My name is Anne Lee.
Yes.
We know each other now.
A little.
That is a start.
Yes, it is.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.